Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Special. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make French toast with an apple compote. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to start off by making the apple compote since that takes the longest to cook. So I'm going to quarter the apples and get rid of the cores, then remove the skin. I couldn't find my peeler today, so bear with me. I'm cutting it off with a knife. Then I'm going to dice the apples into tiny pieces, and I'm going to do all that until they're all finished. Then I'm going to add it into a bowl with some flour and some cinnamon. Also the zest of a lemon and the juice of half of the lemon. I'm going to mix this until it's well combined because we want every piece of apple to have the flavor all up into there because, it got to be real good. Now we're going to heat up a small saucepan and start melting some butter in it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and let that combine until the sugar dissolves. After the sugar and butter mixture have come together, you're going to add in your spiced apples, the ones you seasoned up, the flour, the cinnamon, all that good stuff. And you're going to mix it in and let the apples cook down until they're nice and soft. After about 5 minutes of them cooking on the heat, you're going to cover them with the lid for about 5 minutes and let them cook down and make their sauce a little bit thicker. Now it's time to move on and start making our batter for our French toast. Today I'm using 2 eggs, I'm using cinnamon, allspice, ground cloves, and half a cup of milk. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. After I add in all those ingredients, I'm going to whisk this mixture together until it's very well combined. Now I'm going to cover the bottom of a large skillet over medium heat with some butter. I'm going to let it melt down so that every nook and cranny of that pan has a little bit of the butter in it. Now I'm going to take 2 slices of French butter brioche bread, which is amazing. I'm going to dip it into our French toast mixture that we made, and I'm going to put that right in the pan into the butter. I'm going to let the French toast brown on one side, and then I'm going to flip it over so that it can brown on the other side. After both sides are nice and golden brown, which takes about 5 minutes, maybe less, maybe more, depending on how hot your pan is, we're going to remove both pieces from the pan and put it on a plate. And finally, our last step, we're going to put our French toast together. So I'm slicing the bread in half into triangle pieces, because who doesn't love French toast like that? I mean, it's the most official way I know. I'm going to arrange them on a plate, and then I'm going to pour some of our apple compote onto each piece of French toast. And for our last step, we're going to take some powdered sugar and sift it over the top to make our French toast look like it is, French toast. So there you have it, super easy, super fast French toast with an apple compote. I hope you guys enjoy. You can find the link to the whole recipe down below on my blog, thedailyspeshyl.com. I hope you guys like this video, comment, and even subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.